Hi, I'm Brian Contos, Chief Security Strategist with Imperva. Today's educational video demonstration is SQL injection attacks via direct database access. Unlike our previous video demonstrations, this one will be interacting directly with the backend Oracle database as opposed to working through the front-end web application. The first thing we're going to do is log on as a normal user named Scott. Scott is not a DBA or a privileged user of any type. And of course we're using Oracle here. So once we've logged in, you can pretty quickly tell that we're running Oracle 8i. Now, I've just typed select username password from DBA_users. And when we type that, we actually get an error message. It says table or view does not exist. This is because the user Scott does not have the rights for this particular query. So I run a different query. This time, exec ctxsys.dryload.validate smt, and then I see grant DBA to Scott. Now, as simple as this seems, in Oracle 8i and even 9i, they are vulnerable to this depending on which patch level you have. 10G and later versions of Oracle are not vulnerable. To be vulnerable to this in Oracle 8 and 9i, you would actually have to have the ctxsys.dryload package installed. But when we run this command, we actually get an error, no statement parsed. So you might assume that nothing's happened. But let's go back and rerun the same select username password from DBA users, and this time we're actually able to pull up a list of the usernames and of the passwords. So it worked. And it works because Scott has been granted DBA rights. So this was a major vulnerability in Oracle. It was fixed in 10G and again for patches for 8i and 9i. But depending on your patch level or the applications you're running that limit certain patch levels, many systems might still be vulnerable to this type of attack. Now this is a relatively simple example of a SQL injection attack via direct database access, rather than some of our previous examples leveraging SuperVada, where we interfaced with the web portal. For more information on Imperva and to learn how to mitigate these types of attacks, please visit imperva.com or check out blog.imperva.com. You can also find us on iTunes, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and be sure to check out our Facebook page.